So Christopher Clements back in court tomorrow. He's the man charged with killing 6-year-old Isabel Celis and 13-year-old Maribel Gonzalez. But he'll be in Maricopa County Superior Court over evidence in an unrelated case.
But could that argument over evidence affect the case here in Tucson? KGUN 9 on your side's Craig Smith asked an experienced defense attorney.
Christopher Clements is facing fraud and burglary charges in Maricopa County. His attorneys are trying to convince a judge there to throw out evidence seized when Maricopa County detectives searched Clements' jail cell. They were serving a warrant for Tucson police, searching for items like photos of the Celis family house.
In last week's hearing, a retired detective said they did find pictures in what they called a legal box. That's a box that inmates like Clements are allowed to keep that holds sensitive legal documents. Authorities are not supposed to look inside the box unless the contents are specified in the search warrant. But what they decided was the safe thing to do was take the entire box, including documents pertaining to the Maricopa County cases, and then they gave it to a neutral attorney for review.
We asked veteran defense attorney Mike Picaretta if the dispute over Maricopa County evidence could affect the murder cases here. He says it could.
Maricopa and Pima County work jointly on behalf of the state of Arizona. So the actions of the investigators up there will bind the state of Arizona and Pima County. The question becomes, did they exceed the scope of the warrant? Did they execute it unlawfully? Was the warrant overbroad?
Picaretta says it was good to request a neutral attorney to review the legal box, but it would have been smart to call a judge and get a second search warrant to allow seizing the entire box. Either way, Picaretta expects a Pima County hearing on what evidence can be used in the murder cases. But the Maricopa judge's ruling could influence how the Pima County judge rules. Craig Smith, KGUN 9 on your side.